Lauded as some of the finest villas in the Caribbean, the luxury villas at Round Hill, Montego Bay, Jamaica, are uniquely designed to blend naturally into their surroundings. The villas are set on the hillside, surrounded by lush foliage and bright tropical blooms. Each Round Hill villa offers the highest expression of comfort and refinement while maximizing indoor and outdoor living. Featuring inviting private pools, ample outdoor lounging areas, and outdoor showers, spacious ensuite bathrooms, complete with elevated amenities. Round Hill's crown jewel, Villa 20, is the epitome of excellence and truly one of the most stunning villas in the Caribbean. Villa 20 takes luxurious island living to the next level. This premium luxury villa is situated at the edge of the tropical forest, offering an unmatched level of privacy and seclusion, and some of the bay's best views and the mountains of Hanover. Recently renovated, the 6-bedroom, 8-bathroom masterpiece strikes a perfect balance with modern and classical beach house vibes, and boasts multiple balconies that overlook the large main pool, and open-air living spaces abound. The 2-story foyer houses a beautiful bar, and there are countless perfect spots throughout the villa to relax and take in the view, enjoy an afternoon nap, or catch up on a good book. Boasting unrivaled views of the Caribbean Sea and our tropical surroundings, each one of our ocean view rooms has been uniquely designed by Ralph Lauren to capture the quintessential Jamaican style and evoke a crisp, clean Caribbean ambiance that set the standard for luxury living in Montego Bay. The upper-level rooms feature towering cathedral ceilings and louvered windows, whilst the lower-level rooms offer secluded balconies perfect for savoring that first cup of Jamaican Blue Mountain coffee. For a truly distinctive experience, the uniquely designed villa captures the charm of island living. Wake up to golden sunrises, cooling trade winds, and a new adventure every single day and night. The villa also features the separate guest cottage with 1 bedroom, ensuite bathroom, and separate sitting area located close to the villa. Opened in 1953, Round Hill Hotel and Villas were conceived by a Jamaican-born entrepreneur for American and European socialites to hide away. With old-school glamour, there are 26 individually owned villas surrounded by 110 acres of lush tropical gardens. The private villas at Round Hill are simply exceptional and have garnered numerous awards and accolades for excellence, including the World Travel Award for the world's leading villa for 12 consecutive years.